All right, ladies and gentlemen, Intel presents Dentsu IWM's India Gaming Awards Season 3 just got bigger and better. Spicy, red, beautiful. ये तीन वर्ड को अगर आपको डिक्शनरी में बदलना है तो वहां पे प्लीज बदल के काशवी का नाम रख दो because that is exactly what she represents. And I've seen you coming in this particular award show in the years before as well. How do you see the entire thing growing?
I have. My God, I'm so surprised. This year is just incredibly big. You all have done it up so well. I'm so happy for the India Gaming Awards to have grown so much.
Yeah, fair enough. We have quick questions for you before we let you go to the awards. What would be your advice to young gamers in college who are competing in grass esports by IPs like College Rivals by Ampers DMI?
I would say give it your best shot. I think that gaming is such a wonderful career to have. The amount you can grow is immeasurable. One advice I'd like to give them is that don't leave your education until you're fully settled. So continue studying, focus hard in school or in college as well, and then once you're set in gaming, only then can you think about making that full time.
The next step forward.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, brands and gaming are apt to reaching out to the younger target group, right? Do you feel the industry needs more marketing companies like Amverse, DMI, Pulse to kind of enable such associations?
Definitely, I see more and more companies coming in every year and seeing gaming as an avenue, and I love that for a creator like me. What more could one ask for? So I mean, I think that most brands should come in and come into the gaming space.
Okay, fair enough. All right, we'll go quick questions. Who is your current favorite streamer?
Scout.
He's just gone inside. He must be very happy to hear that. Okay, so any international gamers that you would like to collaborate with in the near future?
International. I really like Kai Cenat. I think he's so funny. So probably him someday.
Fair enough. Who's your gaming idol?
Like Scout only. Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you played a game at a stretch without getting up?
Probably 20 hours.
20 hours.
Yeah. I play for 10 hours every day anyway, every single day. So 20 must be the maximum.
Music is something that we all love, right? So what is your preferred genre of music while playing or streaming?
I listen to a lot of rap music. I feel like it really pumps me up. Drake is one of my favorites. So I think rap music.
Last question before I let you go would be, do you prefer single player or multiplayer?
Multiplayer, it's always fun to play with friends. I have more friends online than I do offline, I love multiplayer.
Pretty expected an answer from a gamer.